Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is Wednesday, April 23rd, 2025. Here is what we are covering. YouTube has emerged as a dominant force in both long-form and short-form video content, significantly impacting creators and brands adapting to its multifaceted offerings. With a strong presence on connected TVs and a robust short-form platform through YouTube Shorts, the platform has redefined content consumption dynamics. Creators often face challenges in navigating production costs and monetization strategies while exploiting opportunities for broader reach through varied content formats. Meanwhile, video podcasts have surged in popularity, bolstering YouTube's place in audiovisual content. Despite these evolutions, creators must balance innovative storytelling with economic feasibility to thrive in this expansive, competitive digital landscape. Turning to AI and governance. The UAE Cabinet approved the launch of the Regulatory Intelligence Office. This initiative aims to integrate federal and local laws using AI. By monitoring global legislative changes and assessing their relevance, the system allows for dynamic regulatory updates, enhancing efficiency by 70%. The meeting also addressed restructuring the Emirates Council for Balanced Development, progress in the UAE's tax system, and initiatives like the Make It in the Emirates Forum. From regulation to revolutionizing health, Demis Hassabis, CEO of Google DeepMind, has claimed that artificial intelligence could eradicate all diseases within a decade. Speaking on CBS's 60 Minutes, Hassabis cited rapid technological advancement and increased investment as accelerating factors. Key to this vision is AI's potential in drug discovery, aiming to significantly reduce development time. DeepMind's AlphaFold has already mapped millions of protein structures, aiding disease understanding and treatment development. His statements garnered praise from industry peers, including Perplexity CEO Aravind Srinivas. However, Hassabis also highlighted concerns about AI misuse and the importance of maintaining ethical guidelines. Now to AI in your pocket. xAI's Grok chatbot has expanded its capabilities, introducing Grok Vision, allowing users to interact with their environment through their smartphone's camera. This feature enables real-time object identification and is currently available on the iOS app. Additionally, Grok's new features include multilingual audio and real-time search in voice mode, accessible on Android via a $30 monthly Super Grok subscription. Recently, Grok also incorporated a memory function for recalling past interaction details and a tool for creating documents and applications, enhancing user experience significantly. Speaking of AI and big tech, OpenAI has expressed interest in acquiring Chrome if Google's ongoing antitrust trial results in its forced sale. This comes amid the Department of Justice's attempt to restructure Google's operations following a ruling that the company holds a monopoly in the search market. OpenAI, currently partners with Microsoft, seeks to use Google's search data to enhance its AI offerings. Nick Turley from OpenAI affirmed the company's interest in Chrome, suggesting that integrating its AI capabilities could transform the browser into an AI-first experience, leveraging its extensive user base. And finally, over to Apple's AI momentum. Apple's artificial intelligence platform, Apple Intelligence, is growing in popularity among iPhone users, according to a Morgan Stanley research note. The service, experienced by 80% of eligible U.S. iPhone owners, boasts a high Net Promoter Score of 53. Despite mixed investor sentiment, consumers report a positive experience, with 42% prioritizing AI support for future iPhone purchases. Willingness to pay for Apple Intelligence has increased by 11%, suggesting potential for subscription-based monetization.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.